Ekene m na onye ọma na-ege m ntị n'ọnụ n'ụbọchị nke taata, biko achọrọ m ka ịwọcha vidio anọ maka na afịa ọma na-ele onwe ịbịa n'anya na vidio ifu na this man nọ na-explain ya since ya nọ na nga ọkpara na-eme business na elebe afịa otu ya shiwele afịa since Zion Ministry bata na nga ọkpara. Because of that, Niaga way kpọta ndị ọrịa ka ha bịa clear this particular place as much as ha ga-emewu free of charge without any help. Even na ifu na one night woke back Zion no ebe to tell you that no that the main nga akpala Zion Ministry land dị ka ha nọ nghọta. So biko gee ntị nke ọma to so that onye ọbụla chi help clear this land ka we came again ka we ke inu yuzu dada Ibu Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-ezutela anyị. Biko echefukwana ka subscribe, comment ma share this video on other notification button. All the very important, share this video, subscribe biko ngwan.
Okay, mgbe put this permanent site na ngo bala. If I kemgbe m go remala erebe modala mrede kemgbe this site Brazil is a good development. So onobra bebe support ya ka nwe ike ime achieve what they do able. Onobra he believe in the love of Zion Ministry because oge rule mgbe ga bebe gosi ma billionaires ma millionaires enwe na Zion ogbe ka ga gosi that in love ya ba ibe bute katapela ga ebe ka ọrụ na aga. Kemgbe m bira na this side be make clearance am the kind of business be grind.
This man you are seeing on this video took his entire team to Ngopala to work freely on the Zion Ministry new permanent site. You know, they have been working there without requesting for anything. When I said working, they put on caterpillar in clearing those glasses there, making sure that, according to him, that their target is to clear over 100 plots of land. And you can see him on the video saying that ever since they brought down Zion Ministry to Ngopala, that the kind of sales Orego since then, they will make him here in his entire life. It's one of the things that motivated him after calling on the prophet to say, Onye mako esi we help the ministry, kafuna so chalungo Ngopala. Only get caterpillar, only get jiaka, only get abataj, only maintain, have contribute to their little effort to support the ministry. After calling those announcements from the prophet, Oyameroji, follow his teams where we chain and go back without requesting for anything like, hey, Bidol since yesterday there. I must say it's really commendable. You know, just watch the full video and hear from him, and make sure you share after watching. Kodokwan.
The farmers real estate, beautiful. I think that one day, that one day, our new site now, Ngopala here. So I am now on behalf of our spiritual director, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Ebiko, when they sign at all, they hear Prophet Ebuka Obi na Mase, they hear Zion Ministry na Mase, young Ronie, muri capable, Ebianya Kariko Tua, Naipu Subto, na team ya. Name ya free, it is 100% free. I was a so Biko, I will now say, Hanyaka. Any Zara Tawala, it would a caterpillar, it would a bulldozer. It got a Kura Bakuro, Tadarora Oro. I would have hidden as I am when high Mugi, when high chor, when I turn I gave up Tali. So when I see Kesibiko, they hear Prophet Ebuka Obi na Demma. I do the Ibakotaka, no one got a man no, ya both of because I don't know, I'm not one Igbo. I gave me the eye, or was I say. I get married there. I took a 1 naira, 2 naira, 3 naira. One carry too big, one carry too small. It can go a long way. Now the level I cannot go the wall. It's just say I had to declare the whole place. The way we manage Hagaro. So now I'm like what you could talk no because now when you know the here and you never more especially Zionite, Mandeno abroad, Mandeno home ever. So we him with the what why no rain and just he got add normally from what I just said.
In the work, thank you,
sir.
I and my team, Farmers Real Estate. I will say, Obaruru na before dinner, a man, a bubbling around, it was Ibu Zokonubi Christ. And I talk, I will break it. Kadaji teacher, I Brumo Dogu. I got to the next level. So I decided to kill you about free. And I talk Ibuzo register, I was #1. Buzo, baby, on this site. So Obi die, Togila, and everybody smiling. And again, by Bidrona, Miracle, a lot of business have been coming for us.
Wow.
More contract, more business. So Miracle, we're going to die. So I'm going to encourage you to do so, baby, Nyaka. You talk at Chineke, Kiteki, oh, now, this is a miracle site. We want to go a miracle site because can remember on this side, I make clear and someone the kind of business background. So I'm going to encourage people to have a Nyaka. You man like our daddy. I could rule one of Igbo land. Here was the opportunity to approve where go see the love. Then get to work as a minister butela because of the reason. You can move to this permanent site in Angopala. If I can go Remala, a rebel model, I'm ready to come this site. So it's a good development. So, Onobra support can we get him achieve us.
Wow.
More contract, more business. So, Miracle, we're going to die. So, I'm going to encourage you to do so, baby, Nyaka. You talk at Chineke, Kiteki, oh, now, this is a miracle site. We want to go a miracle site because can remember on this side, I make clear and someone with the kind of business background. So, I'm going to encourage people to have a Nyaka. You man like our daddy. I could rule one of Igbo land. Here was the opportunity to approve where go see the love. Then get to work as a minister butela because of the reason. You can move to this permanent site in Angopala. If I can go Remala, a rebel model, I'm ready to come this site. So it's a good development. So Onobra support can we get him achieve what they do. Onobra, he believe in the love for Zion minister because okay, Rulam Wiga Babagosi, my billionaires, my millionaires, and when I Zion, Obe go see that in love for ya by Ibuka Catapella Gaba Corona Gaga. They won.
Thank you very much. So this one that go so far now. Here less than 2 days. In 2 days time, man.
Yes, boy, 1.5 day.
1.5 day.
1.5 day came with this here about 2 hectares.
That is you have rubber now.
1.5 day. Came with the 2 hectares. So and our target is 5 hectares, which is 100 plots. 100. Company agreement. So
for me,
has more thing.
Plots.
So farmers team. So I can have the aroma. At that man, I got one go. So they will.
Okay. Sister, ask this one. There are people have the first.
I'm Mary Jane.
Okay. Ogaya Naru declare 100 plots.
Yes.
You also paid for
100 plots.
Wonderful.
So I am Mary Jane. So I'm a member of this great company called Farmers. So this is my box. I met him in Zion, although I'm into real estate for over 4 years before I met him.
Okay.
So when I met him in Zion, so he introduced me about his company and he used me as a brand ambassador. In fact, and since I started working with him, and Mary they are like go back to back. You understand? So not because he's not the only source of my income. The source of my income, let me tell you the truth, is because of that Zion. Since I joined that Zion, in fact, I cannot say that I'm a millionaire and I am okay and God has blessed me. That is why whatever I give to Zion ministry, it doesn't move me and it doesn't shake me. And there is a secret of my success. Each day I give 1, I receive 10.
Wonderful.
So I keep giving. So the reason why I came down here, I'm coming down from Lagos to come and see how the work is going on. Then after that come a lot of people. I'm being the one advertising, calling people to come, and my boss has been doing that too. So right now, that I came, I have like 3 people who want to send their about like 3 million to my account from tomorrow for them to also clear their own land. Wow. So my duty here is to, in fact, if you leave me at this point now, I don't want to go back to Lagos. I want this work to be well done. Imagine a 1.5 day we have cleared such land. I look over like extra 1 week. I think everything will be fine.
Diesel how we Diesel how we have confirm. Okay, just ka ha drop na. Ma Giselle nke minister kwa dia. Because happy out. Happy share, happy share. Happy share, we're here this morning. We have five machines today. Remember we started with one. I will want them mother people reputation. We started with one. I will want them mother. Boa. People are coming. Many are also on the way. So all the big boys in the Zion ministry. It have rigid is that it have rigid. Good morning everybody, good morning. Owner the holy land of Ngokbara. Zion site. Zion ministry site. Maybe I'm not today with a particular place I don't make crusade, right? Yes, this is a particular point. There's a particular point I made crusade. See, we have 5 machines today. Remember we started with one. Later on Saturday we had to add up with one. Yeah, Kevin Naga. Kevin Naga. Dago Libya. Yeah, I'm not this way. So all the other 5 today. I'm not this way. Ay. Naga. Somebody see here. I'm about Christmas. So IG5 has started today. Many would have come today. People are responding by the grace of God, and many would have come today. But due to the condition of the southeast, so by tomorrow we'll have more machines. We'll have more equipment to work with. More equipment to work with. Equipment. So many increase. Barabia. Anyokota mamiro on ya bofu. I have 5 machines there, so at least if these 5 machines now swing into work, the result will be greater. Original. It have rigid. We say it have rigid. So more are coming. So with your effort also, more will come. So, your life in Ngokbara. Here the place I made. This particular spot now, wherever I made crusade. 100 days. They close like 3 days crusade. All these particular spots. Here. When I'm here. I got late comedy now, like every 3 o'clock now. 6 o'clock, I'm already here. It's all good. The glory of God. The glory of God. God is able. God is able. Extremely able. God is able and capable to deliver.